Hello, it's Sally from Natural Spa Supplies and welcome to my amazing new workspace. As you can see, it's all set out so there's plenty of circulation, it's all COVID friendly, and the best thing is I can now welcome my staff back. As you can see, we've got plenty of stock and it's all beautifully laid out. We've even got some new stock that we'll be releasing soon. We're ready for your orders and I can't wait to start sending out these amazing giant scrubbies which will help you with so many household tasks. Yeah, we've got loads of amazing products on here. The soaps have been really popular during the lockdown. Oh, and the indigo, I'll tell you about that on another video. Oh, and the scrubbies, amazing. There you go, bomb-proof. That will get through the postal system okay. As a key business operating during the COVID era, we've got lots of products that will help you stay safe. So do definitely have a look on the website. And we've also got our free phone number, 0800 023 5008. So you can always give us a call there if you have any questions.